Welcome to General Vibronics, where our mission is to deliver cutting-edge technological solutions, leveraging the dynamic potential of plasma energetics and the principles of applied biophysics. Today, I'm excited to present to you the Mirari Cold Plasma System, a groundbreaking innovation and the first of its kind in the world, a portable, handheld medical device utilizing the benefits of cold atmospheric plasma. Our system stands out for its antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and cell regeneration capabilities, making it especially effective in treating chronic wounds that are traditionally challenging to heal. Offering non-invasive therapeutic applications, the Mirari Cold Plasma System distinguishes itself by avoiding the adverse health impacts often associated with systemic medications thanks to a non-pharmacological approach to therapy. Let's dive into the details of the Mirari Cold Plasma System. Starting with its sleek packaging, I'll guide you through each component of the system, highlighting its unique features and operating capabilities. The Mirari Cold Plasma System is comprised of the following key components: the plasma driver magnetic connector cables for connecting the driver to the plasma array, a USB-C wall charger designed for quick and secure charging, a USB-C charge data cable, and the plasma array itself. The plasma array is capable of emitting wide area of plasma beams, ideal for treating larger wounds. Notably, the dark blue side represents the positive side, which attaches the Mirari magnetic connector cable and faces upwards from the area being treated. In contrast, an active plasma side is the negative side, responsible for emitting cold plasma beams for therapeutic contact. The system also includes a reusable, insulating, waterproof EPFE pouch, which serves as a waterproof barrier, insulator, and heat reduction tool. Additionally, the system features a disposable insulating fleece pouch, which also functions as an insulator and helps in reducing heat. Before use, ensure that the plasma array system is clean. The device is fully charged and the components and accessories are available for treatment sessions. And now, I will explain how to operate the Mirari Cold Plasma System. Step 1. Take the plasma array and plug the magnetic connector cable into the plasma array. Correctly place the face of the logo upward when hearing a clicking sound. The connector has correctly connected to the array. Always ensure that the active side faces the treatment area. Use gentle force to ensure proper connection and avoid any electrical shorts in the connection area. Step 2. Insert the plasma array into the EPTFE insulating waterproof pouch to activate the Mirari driver. Following this, put the plasma array, now enclosed in the EPTFE pouch, into the insulating fleece pouch. This pouch will have 2 buttons engineered to ensure that the plasma array remains securely within the pouches and does not slip out. Please note that the EPTFE insulating waterproof pouch is optional for use in the mouth or when in contact with water. In other circumstances, the fleece pouch alone is adequate as a single cover for the plasma array. Step 3. Plug tightly the magnetic connector cable into the plasma driver F connector. Step 4. Press the power button and hold for 3 seconds to turn on the Mirari driver. Step 5. The opening screen displays the serial number and firmware version. Click the power button again to advance the home screen. Step 6. Click the power button to advance the cursor to the treatment option. Step 7. Hold the power button for 1 second until the treatment option is highlighted. Then release the button. At this point, the device is ready for operation. Step 8. Place the insulated plasma array gently over the treatment area. Ensure that the active surface of the plasma array faces the treatment surface area. Since the plasma array generates heat, move it around from time to time so the treatment area does not become uncomfortably warm. The plasma driver will automatically stop after 15 minutes, 1 treatment session, or if the power button is pressed for more than 1 second. Clicking the power button will advance through treatment options that are available for treatment. Coming up are some important considerations for operating the Mirari Cold Plasma System, especially noted for you. Before using the Mirari Cold Plasma System, wash your hands thoroughly. Clean the treatment surface area prior to the Mirari Cold Plasma System. Treatment with water or 70% isopropyl alcohol. Remove all makeup, oil, lotion, or other materials from the treatment area. Handle the plasma arrays gently. Avoid touching the surface of the active area of the plasma array. The Mirari Cold Plasma System should not be used with other devices and treatment modalities. Wait for 30 minutes between each treatment session. Place the plasma array's insulating fleece pouch within 1/8 inch of the skin, or in light contact with the skin. If the treatment area becomes too hot, take the plasma array off the area and let some air in, or move the plasma array to a different area if the treatment area is large. After finishing the treatment session, the insulating fleece pouch can be washed and reused. However, if the pouch is stained with blood, it should be discarded. Remember to clean the plasma array before and after each use with clean water, using your finger to rub over the active side gently and thoroughly. Then blot excess water with a soft, dry paper towel from the front to back. Then let it completely air dry. This will help the plasma array working highly efficient. Just spray the water on the surface of the plasma array when cleaning the surface with a stamp. Do not use cloths, towels, and wet wipes to absorb water from the plasma array, because those materials will stretch and damage the plasma array. When a low battery indicator pops up, the battery is at the end of its charge. Do not try to get more runtime from the device. If the Mirari driver is warm from use, the batteries will not charge until they cool down below 60 degrees Celsius or 140 degrees Fahrenheit. In order to protect the batteries and taking less time to charge, a small fan or an absorbent towel, squeeze dry, then wrap it around the Mirari driver to cool it down while using it for charging the battery. The status LED is red while charging. The status LED is green when charging is finished. Charging takes 1 hour. After each treatment session, wait until the Mirari driver cools down. It is advised to charge the batteries. Please do not use the Mirari driver while charging. I hope my instructions will make it easier for you to use the Mirari Cold Plasma System. Hope to see you in the next videos.